Lighting is so good. Okay. Hi guys, happy Monday. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariah if you're new here. Thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna do a little week of my life this week. If you didn't watch last week's video, weekend in my life, I let you guys know that I actually got a new job. So this is my first like official week with my new job. So yeah, it's gonna be a different week adjusting to a new schedule. But it is Monday, it's almost 10 a.m. right now. I don't have to work today actually because the girl I tutor on Mondays is on vacation week. So we're gonna have a fun little Monday. It's 10, I just finished getting ready. I need to get dressed, need to figure out what the heck I'm gonna wear. And then I'm going to meal prep, which is not like I'm not like getting out my little like containers and making like rice and chicken and broccoli. But I am going to make a batch of my favorite pad see ew, because I thought that would be good to bring for lunch this week. So I'm just gonna make it today and then put it in some containers and just have it for lunch for the rest of the week. Don't really know how that's gonna go. Hopefully I don't get sick of it because I absolutely love it. But I might just like do that this week, then maybe next week I'll do something else. Right now I need to figure out, oh, I was telling you what I was gonna do today. So I'm gonna do that. Probably I need to like, you know, get my week in order because I don't have to work today. I'm gonna like go through my planner, plan everything out, make a to-do list. I've been loving having a to-do list on our kitchen counter, and then like it's just like for the week and I can just check it off as we go. And then at 1 I'm gonna go get coffee with Julia, and then at 5-ish, 5:30 we're going to dinner with my parents tonight because it's National Margarita Day, which I love a margarita. So we're gonna go to Ohayo tonight, which will be really fun. There's a lot going on this week, which is like not like last week I had nothing going on. And it's gonna be a complete 180, but I'm here for it. So right now I need to figure out what the heck I'm gonna wear. I don't know what to wear. I don't know. I guess I'll let you know when I know. We're dressed. You know, never underestimate just like a plain, you can't even see what I'm wearing. A plain white long sleeve with some jeans. Like, it doesn't have to be that complicated. And I've never worn this before. I got this at Target in my winter clothing haul. Is that what I called it? And I have yet to wear it. So I thought, you know, it's literally so soft. I'm obsessed. Now we're gonna meal prep. I'm in a mood today. Okay, we made it. We made it to the kitchen. It was a long journey, but you know, we made it. I hate myself too, it's fine. No, you know what? We're talking about self-love this year. So we're not gonna say I hate myself. That's just not okay. Like, would you say, yeah, I hate you too to your friend? Actually, probably have. But like, we gotta change the way we talk to ourselves in our heads, you know? But that's like a story for another day. I got this super cool cutting board. Let me show you. Guys, okay, let me take this off. Cutting board, wood, so cute, right? Okay, secret compartment over here has all of these, is that all of them? Cutting boards for your chicken, your fish, your cow, your meat, your bread, your cheese, an extra one, and then this is the veggie, and you put it on here and you cut up, why isn't this going back in? You cut up whatever you need to cut up, and then you just take this part off and wash this. But also, there's no cross-contamination because we were cutting like all of our meat and our veggies and like everything on the same cutting boards. And I was getting grossed out that it was like getting stuck in the grooves, like the chicken. So I got this on Amazon. It was like 30 bucks. Best thing we've probably purchased from Amazon. But it's so great. Not that we've used the fish really, or the cheese or bread, but it's so nice to have. We've definitely used the veggie one the most, but I love this. Also, it's these things are dishwasher safe. Obviously, we don't have a dishwasher, but if you do, you can put those in the dishwasher. This, you just want to wipe down with like, it's sort of like a hot sponge. So I'll do that. But I'm just gonna get to chopping. We're doing broccoli, peppers, onion. Put that in the pan with garlic and oil. Let those like saute, is that the word we're using? And then cook up some noodles, make the sauce, throw it all together. I have the whole recipe in other videos. I made it a million times. If you want to find the exact recipe, search like in my channel, trying Maggie Macdonald's recipe, because this is a recipe I got from Maggie Macdonald. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that and watch some YouTube and chill. Okay guys, this is the final pad see ew. There is a little bit of sauce still like at the bottom, but I'm thinking if I put it in some containers with the sauce not totally soaked up yet, it won't make it as dry like when I go to reheat it. So I'm just gonna put these in some containers and then be good to go. It's 11 o'clock. I'm gonna go fill out my planner and then it'll probably be time for lunch. Not a new day, but I am wearing a new top because honestly it was on me. I decided to make that food while wearing a white shirt. I got like, it was like minuscule spots, but I've never worn that shirt before and I didn't want it to get ruined, so I like sprayed them and threw it in the wash. But I have on my pink little hoodie and then I just threw on this jacket over top and it makes it, here, makes it look more like a look with the jeans and the sweatshirt. I just wish it didn't have this pocket because I like tucked it in. Let me go get my shoes. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna wear these booties. I've been all about the booty life lately. I feel like I'm always wearing a pair of booties. I feel like my new job has made me step it up and not just wear sweats and rain boots every day. Which is what I wear to nanny or tutor, whatever I do. Okay, the look. I feel like the sweatshirt's slightly casual for dinner tonight, but I kind of like the vibe. I mean, I can always switch into like a sweater. Changes like 5 times in a day, why not? Did I say where I'm going? I'm going to see Julia. I had some lunch, Dylan came home for lunch. I just had toast with peanut butter and banana because craving it. And it's so good. I'm gonna go see Julia, maybe vlog a little. Yeah, I'm gonna vlog a little bit. I need to see, I like need to go to Target. And I'm wondering if I should ask Julia if she wants to go. But I like also don't want to spend money. But, like, we're almost out of sandwich bags. And guys, we only own 4 forks. When we moved in, my grandmother gave us a lot of kitchen stuff and she gave us like some silverware and it only had 4 forks in it. I don't really know why. But the other night when we had people over, Sam and Nikki brought a salad. There's 5 of us and I was like, 4 forks. Luckily, like, Nikki didn't want any salad, but I was like, oh my god, we need to get more forks so this does not keep happening. I need to stop rambling. I'm gonna go see Julia, and I'll catch you guys when I catch you. Hi guys, I know the last time I filmed I was going to see Julia, and I just didn't film. But it's 5 o'clock now. Dylan's home, as you can tell. And we're going to go pick up my dad to then go meet my mom and go to Barrio because it's National Margarita Day. So they're doing like $3 margaritas, which is probably busy. It's always busy.
My boss was saying how she was very surprised that she didn't know that it was National Margarita Day.
We're usually in Florida for National Margarita Day, which is depressing. I haven't been to Barrio in a minute.
I know.
Since like we went to Tacoma and Alex, I think.
I know, I was talking about that at work, and Jess was like, oh, I haven't been there forever. Maybe I'll go there with my sister tonight. And I was like, no.
I know, I'm like, are we gonna see people now? Like, I feel like everyone's always at Barrio.
I was like, it's not like, it's like, I don't want to see anyone at work right now. I'm at work.
I know, I told Julia about it, and I was like, go, but they're cooking it tonight. I hear her sighing again.